programmers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Randil Samarasinghe from RANDI RAVEL YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you about CSS basic coding structure. Cascading Style Sheet CSS. CSS used to decorate HTML web page or website. You can see this web page is very ugly, but I am at all the content that I want. But this website is very ugly. To decorate this website looking like this, we can use CSS. Okay, let's go to the video and see how to decorate this ugly website like this. First we need to code HTML. You can see this HTML tags, then head tags, then body tags. In this body tag, break tag, h1 tags, header tags, then paragraph tags and image tags, anchor tags in this HTML file. Now you can see this is the web page. This web page is very ugly, then image is too big. You can see. Now we want to decorate this site by using CSS. Right click in this area, click new file. Then I am type style.css. This is our style.css. Now I want to link this style.css file and index.html file. You can see this link tag. Open new bracket. In the head tag, link rel style sheet, keep space, refer href, then style.css, close the bracket. Okay, now save this. Now you can see this is the site. Now I want to change the background color or body color. To change the body color, I am going to style.css file, then I am type body. When we add anything to this body tag, it is come to this one. You can see. Now I am type like body, keep space, open curly brackets. In this curly brackets, I am type background color because I want background color. You can see it is recommended in this bracket software. Now I am want to yellow color. You can see recommend the sample colors. I want use yellow color, then you can see yellow. Then you want use semicolon. In this HTML you use this bracket, but in CSS you use this semicolon. Now I am save this, go to Chrome and refresh. Now you can see background color was changed. Now I want to align the item in this body, this image and the text also. Then I am add text align. It is center, add semicolon, then save, go to Chrome, refresh. Now you can see these are in the center. Now I want to change the font style of these words. To change the font style, I use font family tag. Font family, I am choose cursive, then semicolon, save this, go to Chrome, refresh. Now you can see this font family is very beautiful. Image is still too big. Now I want to change the font family of these headers and the colors also I want to change. Then I am use this body. Now I am use H1. Keep space. When we add anything in these curly brackets, it's working to this H1 tags. Now I want to change the font family. Go to the site, link is in the description, fonts.google.com. I am choose Poppin font to our header. I am choose this bold 700 in Poppins, then click this, select this style. Now click this add import. Scroll down. Don't copy style tags. Copy this one only. Now go to your bracket project. Go to top of your bracket project. Now copy this. Then I am add font family. Font family is Poppins. Then font color is color. Color code is #A1000. You can get any color code by searching hex color picker. Now then you can select any color and choose maroon color like this. Then copy this, paste it on here. Now I am save this, then refresh. Now you can see the heading was changed. It is in maroon color and font style is Poppins. But paragraph font family is cursive. Then you can see this image. This image is still too large. We want to minimize the size. To minimize the size, go to your bracket project, press 2 enter, then use IMG. When we use IMG, it is working only to this image. Then I am use width to minimize the size and keep width in 700 pixels and save this. Go to Chrome and refresh. Now you can see image is looking good. Now I want to curve the edges in this image. Curve and add new one, border radius. Border radius. Border radius is I am keep 20 pixels. It is very beautiful now. Now I want to add the hover effect to this image. Okay, press 2 enters. Then again add ing, then double dots, not semicolon, use double dots, then type hover. In clear brackets, now type width. When we hover, the width is turned into 600 pixels. When we hover, minimize the size. Now save this, go to Chrome and refresh. Now you can see how effect is working. But this is very hard, not any smooth in this hover effect. To smooth, go to your IMG tag again, press enter, then add transition. transition is keep 0.5 seconds and use semicolon and save. Then refresh. Now you can see how our effect is very beautiful. This is very small web page, but it is very beautiful. In our HTML file, you can see I am at HTML tag or line these two tags. Then I am at head. This is the our head of our web page or website. In the head, you can see title. Title is checking. Now I am linked the style.css file and index.css file. You can see I am use link, rel, style sheet, then refer, href, then style.css. Then in body you can see on one break, you can see space in this area. Then I am at h1 tag. This is our first heading. Then I am at paragraph. Then again break. Then again h1 paragraph, break, h1 and paragraph. Now you can see again is image, our image. Then you can see anchor tag to add the link. Then refer this. The link is hash. You can use any link for this area. Then you can see I am used again img tag because I am add this link into image. Then I am open img source. This is the file location, images. This is the image. Then this is the image name .png. Then close the anchor tag. This is the body and this is the our HTML. Now in CSS file you can see in top the link of pop-ins. We get this in fonts.google.com website. Now you can see this body. When we add anything, it is working in this one. That's this one. Okay. Then background color is yellow. Then text align or items is aligned on center. Then font family is cursive. Then h1 and h1 is this one and this one. In this h1 I am use font family pop-ins. Then color is maroon color. You can see it is working on our web page. Then image is width is 700. This is 700 pixels. Then border radius is 280 pixels. You can see border of the edges. It is 280 pixels. Then transition is 0.5 seconds. What is this transition? This transition is our hover transition. You can see under this img dot hover. img dot hover. It is width is 600 pixels. You can say when we hover, it's turned into width size is 700 or size is 700 pixels. Then this is very smooth because we add the transition is 0.5 seconds. I think this video is very interesting and helpful for your programming life. If you like my video, press the like button to my video. If you want to get my new videos quickly, subscribe my YouTube channel, click the notification bell icon and select all options to get my new videos as a notification to your device. Follow RANDI RAVEL on your social media also. Okay, let's meet in brand new video on my YouTube channel.